How to fix you have lost connection to the Destiny 2 server's error. 1. Clear the cache by shutting down and rebooting your Xbox console later. 2. Change to a wired connection and improve your internet connection, if possible. 3. For PC players, update your network adapter driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. For Windows users, perform a network reset. Run these commands as admin: netshare winsock reset netshare int IP reset IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flush and spot. Switch to a better or faster DNS server. 6. For router players, enable UPnP or port forwarding.